Hey guys, oh no, I need to turn off your camera. Yeah, I don't film with ring lights, so I just use the lights in my house. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I just took out my braids and I just did like single hair, so that's why I'm tying my scarf because it's even old. It's not like it's new. If it's new, I can still use it. Anyways, hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Patricia. If today is your first time seeing my face, and if you're a returning subscriber, like I always say, love you guys. I'll be showing you guys my apartment. I'm currently doing my master's in China, and one of the questions I usually get is, how much did you pay for your apartment? How much did you pay for your apartment? How much did you pay for your apartment? So the last comment, someone dropped a comment in, I think the last two videos I posted. I will try to put a comment here, and I just thought, you know what, it won't cost anything for me to just show you guys my apartment and let you guys in on how much I paid and the things the apartment came with. Also, I think I have a video on my channel which I'm going to leave somewhere here, where when I first got into this apartment and after cleaning it, what it looks like. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. This is the hallway. All the apartments in this particular building are studio apartments. So this is my door. It has this lock that you use password. Just put the password. When you enter my apartment, this is what you see. Is this hanger for coats, winter jackets. Then it has like this storage or cupboard. One thing I like about this apartment is the fact that it has so many storage. Yeah, the middle one, it has my cooking things, my plates as well. I don't like leaving things on like outside, so I always like to put everything in the cupboard. And then the last cupboard top, it has like other things as well, my Stanley cup and my other water bottles. Then there is this smoke extractor, so this is the cooking area. That's the sink. Then this other thing about the microwave and the rice cooker. So there is the washing machine. The apartment came with a washing machine. This other storage is just where the sink goes out from. Then this other one, I also have my cooking things inside, my pot, blender, and then my electric cooker and other things as well. Directly opposite my kitchen or my cooking area is the bathroom. There is really nothing much in the bathroom. I've actually not done anything to this apartment. Honestly, I've just been chilled. So this is the heater, the WC. This is the shower area, the hot water stuff is up. What I forgot, the heater, sorry, is up. And then when you close the door, this is what you see. It has this mirror and this little cupboard. There is nothing inside, so I didn't bother opening it. Then there is the sink and then a little storage beneath. So that's just that about the bathroom. Then let's move on to the sitting area. So there is this storage. Like I mentioned, this place has so many storage. I really like it. The up storage, I put my suitcases there. And then this other ones, there is really nothing serious inside these things. The apartment came with the TV. I got the mirror myself. One thing I love about this apartment again is this wardrobe. I really, really, really love it. It's quite big. You know, it's a bit scattered, please. Anyways, it has like different compartments where I can put my wig, some of my sneakers, and then the drawer, I just have my files inside. And then this other part of the drawer, this other part, I have my clothes. It has a hanger, a space for hanging clothes as well. And then the up, like everything is just scattered, but please, that's not why we're here. Anyways, yeah, that's my laundry basket. These shoes are not mine, it's for some of my friends. So yeah, the wardrobe is really big. Like, I really like it. Most of the studio apartments, you rarely get a wardrobe this big. It's big, neat, and well put together. Then the apartment came with a fridge, this little couch, the table. I got the rug myself, or my friend gave me the rug. And then that's my bed. My bedside also has a storage, like so many storage compartments. And it's quite big, like it's really big. Then let's move towards the window side. The apartment also came with the AC, more storage under, and then the window. When you open the window side, this is what you see. I just hang my clothes here. The house came with this hanger as well, like the clothes hanger. So I hang my clothes, put some of my sneakers there as well, my tripod, and just a few things. This is basically how this place is. And then my view is so nice. And then there is the mountain there. Like, this place really looks nice at night. I came when it was snowing, so yeah. So this is just my apartment. I pay 1,000 RMB per month, and then I pay management fee 50 RMB, electricity and water roughly 150 RMB. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice, so clean, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.